Hey Sarah, what are you doing today?
Hi John. Well, this morning we harvested the leeks and then we processed them. We washed them, cut off the ends, split them in half, fanned them out and washed them in water. And now I'm using the Kenwood just to slice them up so we can put them in bags for the freezer.
Okay, why didn't you just use them as you needed them, and why did you just pick them all at the same time?
Because at the moment the weather's quite warm. Well, it's very hot. It's middle of summer, and some of them had started to shoot and get flowers on, so we needed to get them out before they developed that stiff stalk in the middle.
Okay,
Yep.
let's have a go on the machine then.
Okay, here we go.